What's up, guys? Just wanted to show the final product here of this job that we did, the channel drain. So we regraded this here for the customer. He wanted this extra, this parking pad here up on the side with limestone compacted. Where the street was, it was very fractured, as you can see there, so we ended our driveway a little short, and then we brought a little bit of asphalt here to patch it in, to blend it. Then the homeowner was getting a lot of runoff from the road onto his driveway, so we elevated the end of the concrete here a little bit, left it a little bit high, and then we put this asphalt apron here with a little bit of a swale in it. Very minimal, you can't see it, but we put the water hose on it and all the water runs right down. So the water should run right down the street versus down the street and into his driveway. I'll show you, this is the concrete, it's done. This is the channel drain. Installed, finished. Come here, Gino. Then this goes under here this way. We got a little helper here today. Gino, come here, Gino. Come here, buddy.
I just want to go in the car, Dad.
You want to go in the car? We'll go in the car in a minute. Let's wrap this up. Then we ran our pipe, goes right here, right through here on this side of the gate here. Trenched it all along the house here.
Daddy, you open that door.
Yeah, that's Fox Lake. And here is where we daylighted it, the discharge. So we're just going to put a little bit more fill on top. We're going to put a little bit more fill on top, and this is the end we put on there because I think this would be a lot better, more beneficial than the pop-up. And then as you can see, it's wet there, so the water drains. We put the hose in there to test everything, channel, and everything drains great. Back down to the Channel Lakes right here, which is Fox River, which is very fun here in the summertime. Go boating and fishing. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and that wraps up this project. Thanks a lot.